Hello everyone, Sachin Joshi here. People often ask me why I developed this practice success system, why I do these programs. And the answer is because I am deeply committed to the medical industry on the personal as well as a professional level. I really respect the contribution that the doctors make to the community. Having run my own hospital, my own medical center, and having hundreds of doctors as my personal friends, I know the level of the stress, the level of the challenges they go through to get to the level where they are today. And out of my interaction with so many doctors, what I found that there is a pattern. And that pattern is the doctors are very busy people. They are really busy taking care of their patients, meeting the regulatory requirements, and also trying to manage the business side of their practices. They don't have time. And hence what happens? That then they tend to over-rely on the advisors. Some doctors even they just don't like to run the business side of the practice at all. Is that right? And then what I found that some advisors or some consultants really take disadvantage of this condition that the doctors don't have time, and then they try to rip them off. I know many stories which is also shared by some of the attendees in this program that their colleagues paid up to 2 to 20, up to 50 times more for the services, for the price of the practice they were buying. And that is not right. And knowing how much hard works the doctors put into getting to the stage where they are, this kind of financial impact is definitely not what they deserve. That's when I decided if I want to break this pattern, I have to develop some kind of a system which I can offer them. And also that will give them the tools to manage these kind of the situations and not to fall prey to the wrong advice. In order to make it easy for the doctors to manage the commercial aspect, the business aspects of their professional life, and to reduce the stress by making it enjoyable. And that's why I have started to offer this particular practice success system. Thank you.